Guess what day it is? Today is Taco Tuesday. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make these bomb bang bang shrimp tacos. They're so tasty, so easy to make with just a few ingredients. This right here is a crowd pleaser, okay? Before we begin with the recipe, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to join the family. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me, and let's dive in to this recipe. All right, guys, here's what you need to make today's recipe. Everything will be below. I'm using large shrimp, and you can use flour or corn tortillas for this recipe if you like. So first thing I'm going to do is marinating the shrimp. I am going to start by pouring in all of the seasoning. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, and some dried parsley to season the shrimp. Also, I'm going to add 1 large egg in there, just like that, and then we're going to mix it together. Next, we are going to pour in our buttermilk. I'm using about half a cup because you don't want to add too much. Then next thing you know, you don't have any seasoning on your shrimp. It's going to be not so good, so try not to add too much of the buttermilk. Now I'm going to pour 1 cup of cornstarch into a bowl here. Also, I'm going to add about half a cup of flour, and then you're going to take your shrimp, add it to this bowl. Okay, this is going to make it a lot easier because yeah, it's going to make your life a lot easier. Adding all the shrimp in the bowl with the flour in it, and then you're going to cover that bowl with the lid just like that. Then you're going to give it a nice little shake. All right, nice and done. Now your shrimp is nicely coated with the flour. Boom. Set that aside. I am going to pour in the oil. I'm using peanut oil because it's better to use, especially when you're frying anything. Yeah, it doesn't get as hot compared to like vegetable oil. So I'm going to let that heat up while I'm working on the sauce. This sauce is, oh, it's so good. So you're going to pour in your mayonnaise. This right here is some Sriracha. Yes, spicy. And also I am going to add in some sweet chili sauce. Pour that in just like that. It's going to be so good. Then mix it up. I was having a hard time mixing my mayo. I'm like, is this expired? But it was not. So I had to grab a whisk and mix everything until everything is well combined. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Nice and thick. And you should give it a taste. It tastes so good. And now we're going to set that aside while we fry our shrimp. Now I'm frying the shrimp on medium-high heat. My oil temperature currently is 350 degrees. I am going to cook the shrimp for about 4 minutes. Okay? Once your 4 minutes is up, take it out. Don't overcook the shrimp because ain't nobody got time to be chewing on rubbery, overcooked shrimp. But this is about 4 minutes later, nice and crispy and crunchy. Now, this is one thing I love about using cornstarch. In my opinion, I feel like the shrimp stay crispy. You know how when you fry something, it's crispy for just a few minutes? No, this, it will stay crispy. That's why I like using lots of cornstarch. Okay, this is my new little trick or hack. Now I'm going to fry the other batch. Now don't overcrowd your frying pan because you will lower the temperature of the heat. You don't want that. Then your shrimp is going to be undercooked, take longer to cook, messing up with the temperature. No, just try to do your best. 2 batches. Yeah, perfectly golden brown crispy shrimp. Now that is done, I am going to set that aside. Moving on, the shrimp is looking so crispy and so good. Now, you are going to pour your shrimp to a bowl. That bang bang sauce, pour that over the shrimp. Just make sure to leave a little bit to garnish later, but it's looking good. That sauce, it's so good. So good, period. Give that a nice little toss. Make sure the shrimp is well coated with the bang bang sauce, something like this. Perfect. Now it's time to heat up the tortillas. Now you can use flour tortillas or you can use corn tortillas, whatever floats your boat, okay? Now I'm going to add a little bit of coleslaw mix on my tortillas. You can use red cabbage only if you like. I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. So next, I am going to place the shrimp right on top. It's looking good already. It's giving restaurant quality already. That's what I'm talking about. Next, I am going to be adding some raw onion. Yes, I love me some just fresh, crunchy onion, okay? You're gonna have to brush your teeth after, but that's okay. And then I am going to add some cilantro on top, and to garnish, I'm adding some more of that cabbage on top. And I am going to drizzle that sauce to make it nice and pretty. And yes, it's giving restaurant quality. All I'm missing right now is some lime, but it was a little bit acidic because of the sriracha sauce. But there you have it. Hope you enjoy. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think down below. It was good. Okay? Now wait for the taste test. All right, guys, let's try these tacos. I've been waiting. It's so good and it's right on time. It's lunchtime, okay? So let's give them a try. Let me start with this one. Let's give this a try. Yep. I know it was gonna be so delicious. I know it was gonna be good, okay? Just like I thought it was going to be. A little bit of sweetness, spicy at the same time, creamy. This right here, if you never make anything I made, you got to make this. That's it. Try this out. It's so good. Definitely a 10/10 in my book. So amazingly tasty. Perfect crowd pleaser, appetizer, any get together. Just perfect. So good. I hope you guys really try this recipe out and come back and let me know. It's so delicious, just like I expected it to be. So good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it, if you're going to try it out. Also, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.